Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're making a loaded baked potato soup that is so incredibly thick, super comforting, and the best part, one single pot can feed you for days. This recipe is all about simple ingredients, big flavor, and it's absolutely perfect for stretching your grocery budget, especially during those colder months. First things first, let's build that flavor foundation. Start by cooking about a pound of chopped bacon in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. We want it nice and crispy. Once it's done, use a slotted spoon to remove the bacon and set it aside on a paper towel-lined plate. But don't you dare get rid of that liquid gold in the pot. That's pure flavor. Now, into that same pot with the rendered bacon fat, add a couple of tablespoons of butter. Once it's melted, toss in one large, diced yellow onion. Let that cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, until it's soft and translucent. Next, it's time for the garlic. Add for minced cloves and cook for just another 30 seconds or so. You'll know it's ready when you can smell that amazing garlic aroma filling your kitchen. Be careful not to let it burn. Okay, now for the star of the show, the potatoes. You'll need about 4 pounds of russet potatoes, peeled and cubed into bite-sized pieces. Add them all to the pot. Then, pour in 6 cups of chicken broth. Give everything a good stir to combine, making sure the potatoes are mostly submerged. Turn the heat up. Bring it all to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. You're looking for the potatoes to be completely tender. Once your potatoes are soft, it's time to get mashing. You can use a potato masher or even the back of a large spoon. Lightly mash the potatoes right in the pot. I like to leave some bigger chunks for a really nice, hearty texture, but you can make it as smooth as you like. Now, reduce the heat to low and get ready for the creamy part. Stir in 1½ cups of milk, a full cup of sour cream, and about 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Keep stirring gently until the cheese is completely melted and the soup is beautifully creamy and smooth. All that's left is to season it. Add salt and pepper to your taste. Remember, the bacon and broth are already salty, so taste as you go. Now for the fun part, serving it up. Ladle that gorgeous, thick soup into a bowl and let's get loaded. Top it with that crispy bacon we made earlier, a generous sprinkle of extra shredded cheddar, and some fresh chopped chives for a pop of color and freshness. And there you have it, a meal that truly feels like a warm hug in a bowl. It's perfect for meal prep, and it tastes even better the next day. Let me know in the comments how it turns out for you. If you want more recipes like this, you can browse our full soups and stews cookbook, the link's in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy easy budget-friendly recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe.